Inside NBA stars' lavish mansions. Welcome to the world of NBA luxury. Step inside the extravagant mansions of your favorite basketball stars. First, let's explore LeBron James' stunning Brentwood estate. This Californian mansion exudes elegance and opulence. With over 15,000 square feet, LeBron's home features a movie theater, wine cellar, and an outdoor kitchen. Next, we visit Stephen Curry's lavish Bay Area residence. This modern masterpiece combines sleek design with unparalleled comfort. Curry's home boasts an infinity pool, private gym, and a spacious entertainment room, perfect for family gatherings. Now, let's head over to Kevin Durant's high-rise penthouse in New York City. The views are simply breathtaking. Durant's penthouse is equipped with a stylish rooftop terrace, giving him a panoramic skyline view. Giannis Antetokounmpo's Milwaukee mansion is next. This home reflects his international flair and unique taste. Giannis' residence includes an indoor basketball court, a personal sauna, and a luxurious home office. Let's not miss James Harden's Houston estate. A blend of modern architecture and lush greenery. Harden's mansion features a resort-style pool, a recording studio, and multiple guest suites for his visitors. Lastly, we explore Chris Paul's Phoenix home. A blend of southwestern charm and modern luxury. Paul's mansion comes with a golf simulator, an outdoor fireplace, and a cozy, yet expansive, living area. These NBA stars live in pure luxury, showcasing homes that match their incredible success on the court. Thanks for joining us on this tour inside the luxurious mansions of NBA players. Stay tuned for more exclusive peeks.